fat filling, and tomorrow my clay will come. So please, if I have a fit filling, my clay will come tomorrow.
Alright, let's take a look. See what this coin is right on the end. 74. Alrighty. Ooh, look at the big stack of coins. I don't see any silver. That's pretty easy to see. But could be some non-issued coins. Here's a 2002. Set that aside temporarily. Oh, I just found a... Oh, I found a proof coin. Ha ha ha! Fellas, look what I just found. You know what that is? That's a proof coin. It's been really circulated really bad. You can see it, how mirrory reflection it still has some. And it's San Francisco Mint. So that's how I know it's a proof. Here, the back has better cameo. Here, I can show you what the back looks like. There you go. 1980S proof. Yep, somebody's really messing up their collection here. Well, I'll just set that aside too. It's very unusual. Alright, let's see what else is in here. I would have missed that too if I wouldn't have laid it aside. So, 81, 2074. Here's the 2002 I found. Hang on to that. I'm just going to hang on to all those non-issued coins, and then I'll sort them out later. Don't want to miss anything special. Yeah. Don't want to have a poor range of judgment about it. Next roll. I noticed that the finds I've been finding are getting more and more and more strange. And I probably would find like an off-centered Kennedy or something. Really crazy stuff. So, this one. Yeah, let's go ahead and take a shot at it. There we go. Paper ripped off again. Some more 90% will be very nice to find. So, open it up for you. There we go. Wow. Shoo, these are beautiful. Beautiful bicentennials, but this thing's probably packed full of them. And I was right. Oh my goodness, every single one of these is a bicentennial. Ah, what is with that? Every single one of these is a bicentennial. How in the world did that happen? I'm not kidding. Oh, yep, every single one of them. Bicentennial here. Oh, wait. Oh, there's not one. Excellent. Whew, starting to get a little scared there for a moment. So, let's compare all the edges, make sure there's no silver whatsoever. Let's get the spook attack there for a moment. Yep. Excellent. So, next roll. No more spook attacks. Let's just find the silver. Okay. Wonder if there's a... Wonder what could be in these rolls next. Alright, now you can see what we've got here. Bright orange, because it's a 2002. Found it. Something else I've been noticing about these too. Every single one of these have mint errors. These 2002s I've been pulling out. All of them have a collar break. Right there. See that piece of metal sticking up? That's part of the coin. That's not damage. It was done to the die when it was struck. So that's excess metal sticking out of the edge. I'll just hang on to that because it is a really nice one I just found. This 2002. It's pretty clean. Hang on to that. Alright. Let's see what else we've got here. Could be some others. Bicentennial. Alrighty. Here you definitely got a mixed batch here. Full of goodies. And 1980. Next row. Ooh, boy, this could be good. More silver to be found. I should have the mintages for you after these are all searched. Okay. Get open. Fingernails are so short. Clipped them recently. There we go. Ooh la la. More orange. No silver, but more orange it looks like. Could be wrong though. Could be some silver in there. Alrighty, that's opened. I don't see any silver, but Oh well. We'll have to find some other good stuff then. Right, and continue the search. Come on, more silver. Open these things up here. Right. Silver. Oh, whoa, this thing's loaded with it. Excellent. Oh, good. Whew, paid off. Excellent. See it sparkling? Here, I'll get you a better shot of it. I'll take off each one that is silver and show you. 67 is one. Here you are, 1967. Now I'm finding a bunch of these, no more than 90% mostly. Must we come to the end of that person's collection? It's kind of funny. There's the back. 1967. Okay, and that is 40%. So that right over there. And here is the other silver coin. It's a 1968D. So, yeah. Another 40%. See how the cloud's showing up? It's getting circulated. So we'll set that aside. Okay, continue. Could be 90% in here. Let's see. Okay, I don't see one, but oh well, it's alright. We'll look through these. Could be some proofs. And I'll show you everything that I found up close and show you mintages of what they were. So, with that being said, let's take a look at what we found. Okay. Let's see, which one should I start? Okay. I'll start off with all the silver coins. Alrighty then. First of all, we start off with the 1964 that I found. Pretty nice. There's the edge. Nice and bright, 90%. And there is the back. 1964. Last year, any silver coins were made with 90%. The last year of issue of 90% silver coinage. There we go. There's that. After that, a 1968, 40%, Denver Mint, 68 silver. There's the silver clad showing up right there. Okay. There's the back, 1968D. After that, got another 40%. This one is 1967. This one's got clad also, 40% silver, 1967. After that, we have a 1965. That is also 40%. Right after 1964. Immediately dropped down to 40% silver content of purity. So, 1965, plain. Then, after that, we have a 1968D, another one. 40%, of course. And there's the back. Yep, more silver. After that, another silver Walking Liberty. Excellent. This one is a 1945. Very happy with that. 1945 Walking Liberty. And there's the back. That's a 90% silver coin. Okay. Now for the ones that I found off camera yesterday that I wasn't able to show you. Okay. Let's see. Yes. We start off with a 1967. 40%. That was found yesterday. Couldn't catch it on camera. 67. Then we have a 1967 again. Go. And the back. Then we have a 1966. And then on top of that, we have another 1966. Literally on top of that. Then after that, we have a 1969. And on top of that, another 1969. Yep. And there's a 40%. So, whew, lots of silver. And then, of course, yesterday at the bank, I found the 1964D Roosevelt dime. So that was very nice. Okay. And the silver that did have before, I had sold because silver had thought, make some profit off of it. Sure, why not? So, all together, here's the silver for this week. Yep. All this is 90 to 40% silver. 40 to 90% pure silver. Yep. A whole bunch of goodies. Alright, and if anyone would like to get involved in bankroll searching, go ahead and give it a shot. You can find silver. You could find mutilated proof coin, like this one here. Still don't know how that one ended up in circulation like that. But it is a proof coin. It's what's left of one. Actually, let's show you the mint mark. San Francisco mint mark. So it was a proof coin. Then we have a 2002 Denver mint. No, that's no Denver mint. Whoops, that's a Philadelphia mint. My first one. Yep, that's pretty nice. And of course, I think these are the ones that have the error on the edge. Yep, there's the error I'm talking about. Right there. If it will focus, there you go. A huge error sticking out of the edge of that coin. So what happened was, as the collar holding the coin in place that will give it its reeded edge, a certain area snapped and broke away, and the metal that was left over would flow into that empty cavity. That is a 2002. Then after that we have a 2001 P. That is also not supposed to be in circulation. Okay. And then we have that 1972 that I'm a little suspicious about, because the edge, the numerals, the digits, could be doubled die, because they appear extra thick. Sorry, couldn't get a very good shot on it, but here, let me get a better view of it. There we go, that should be better. Yep, there we go. And then we have another 2002. And this one is a P. Okay, hang on to that one. 2002P. And then after that, we have a 2002P. Another one. Very nice. And there's the back. Most of them are this gorgeous. So that's nice. And then after that, we have another 2002P. Another one. Where do these coins come from? Right there. And then after that, we have, oh dear, I'm probably boring you to death, but another one. But this one is not a P, this one is a Denver Mint. 2001D. And I actually don't know how much of value these would actually have a piece, but probably about $1 a piece, probably something about like that. And then in this piece of paper here, I had wrapped up because I found earlier today, didn't want it to get all banged up or anything. Another mint unrelated coin here. Let me unravel it a little bit. And this one is a 2002. I think it is P. Gasp. 2002 P. So that's nice. So anyway, after that then, I'll just show you everything as a whole. Whole bunch of goodies after going through all that. So Thanks a lot for viewing this video, and happy coin hunting.